Okay, hey guys, very quick update from us with the OCR change today. As expected, Adrian's gone up 50 points. I should say the governor, shouldn't I? He's gone up 50 points. More interesting is that the forecast hasn't changed. So what it tells us is they're still expecting the OCR to peak at 5.5. I don't know that we'll get there. I think things are still slowing down quite quickly. But that's RBNZ forecast. OCR's obviously increased to 4.75 now. That was largely priced into the market, so I wouldn't expect to see much of a change in terms of fixed mortgage rates, but obviously floating rates will go up 0.5%. I don't think it really changes our story from here. We sort of see ourselves from a mortgage perspective at peak market now. You might get a little bit of up and down on the mortgage rates, but we're largely at the top of the cycle. Obviously for a lot of borrowers, you're still coming off low rates and refixing at these high rates. What we're generally advising now is, provided affordability is not an issue and you're not freaking out about rates, generally fixing for a shorter term of maybe 1 year to 18 months. At the moment, we're seeing some good specials out there. I don't really want to sort of put those on video, only to the extent that they could change any day, and I just don't want to set false expectations. But definitely talk to your advisor. There is a little bit of negotiation ability out there at the moment, which is good. But look, the other thing I think is that rates aren't going to fall quickly. We've seen long end rates fall, but we don't want you going and fixing long term at the moment because of the risk of break fees, which we've talked about on the blog. So yeah, look, just talk to your advisor, I guess, is probably the best advice at the moment. Rates aren't going to drop in a hurry, so don't sit there sort of hoping that rates are going to fall in the next 6 months or so. But the good news is we're pretty much at peak, and the OCR announcement today reinforced that. Inflation, though, is still not entirely under control. Anyway, hey, thanks. Talk to you next time. Cheers.